Okay, so we're working through question from Summer 12, Paper 3, Version 3. Question 3. So this one's about linked lists. A linked list is to be implemented with the data structures described in the variable table, which is here. The countries are to be organised into alphabetical order. Okay, so we've got country in this column here. We have our pointers here, and we've got a head pointer. Obviously this is an index for our array either side of the arrays themselves. So, complete the above diagram, 4 marks, showing all pointer values for this linked list. We have to fill in the head pointer too. Right. So basically, this list needs to be in alphabetical order. We know that. Well, let's just have a quick look. Bangladesh looks like the first one. That's a B. Okay, so I'm just going to make a note here. 1. C comes after that for Colombia. D for Denmark. Sweden with the last one. Hopefully I've done that right. So Bangladesh is going to be the top of our list, right? That is going to be the head pointer. Okay. So the index is 5 for Bangladesh. I'm going to put 5 up here. Let me get a different colour. I'm going to put 5 up here. Right, and we can see that the first point has been done for us. Item 1 in our list needs to point to item 2, to Colombia. Okay, so that means index 5 is going to index 4, right? So 5, the array has a number 4 in there, okay, which is the pointer to the next subscript. 2 is going to go to 3, which is Denmark. Alright, so in Colombia, right, in location 4, I want a pointer to point to location 2, which is third in our list. So in location 4, I want a 2. From 3, I'm going to go to 4. Okay, so from 2, we're going to 3. From 4 to 5. So in 3, we're going to location 7, from 5 to 6, so we're going from 7 to 6. And then from 6, we're going to the last location, which is location 1. So we want 6 to point to location 1. Now, here's a slightly different thing. So 1 isn't pointing anywhere, right? Do we put a 0? No, we put a null. It's a little bit like when we looked at binary trees. Okay, so in this case, Bangladesh could be the head of the tree, right? And then we'd have 2 sides coming off there. We'd have, what have we got? 2 and 3. So we've got Colombia and Denmark. Colombia comes before Denmark. It would be like that. And then we'd have sub-trees and so on until, let's just say our tree looked like this. The last item was Colombia. Now that is not going to have any subtrees coming off it. It's called it's a child node, but we'll also call it a null node because it's by itself. It's not going to have any trees. Okay, so that's the null node. Okay, so how is this marked? One mark for head pointer, one mark for Colombia and Denmark, one mark for all others correct in the list, and final mark for a null pointer. So that was one up here, one for here, one for here, one mark for the list. Sorry, that was only one for Denmark and Colombia. One mark for the list, one mark for the null pointer.